3 Weather Lab. Here's Daniel's True View forecast.
Welcome back, everyone. Well, it's quiet for the rest of the night. It's not been quiet all day, though. Widely scattered showers of thunderstorms been ongoing across parts of Acadiana. Not going to see that through the remainder of the night, though. Let's start with a look at the satellite and a radar picture. Got some clouds that have been hanging about, but for the most part, really not too much going on out there at all. You've got some showers well up north over into parts of Arkansas, getting into the Memphis area, but really not a whole lot happening here. The showers on the eastern side of the state, those seem to be fizzling out as well. Clouds breaking up. You've got mostly clear skies out there for the time being. Now, while we do stay quiet tonight, we'll be quiet again for tomorrow morning. We will start to see those showers bouncing back, returning to the area, very similar to the way it took shape today. So that does mean if you're down along the coastline, look out over the Gulf of Mexico, probably going to run into maybe a water spout or two. If you do look out, funnel clouds going to be possible as well. Remember, funnel clouds rarely ever touch the ground. It can bring some gustier conditions, but for the most part, they're just very photogenic and rarely anything that you really need to worry about. Now, we could see a couple stronger storms tomorrow afternoon if they do get that way, but it never lasts too long. They kind of flare up and then start to collapse. They can't really sustain themselves for very long. We saw that this afternoon. We'll likely see it again for tomorrow. Quiet early tomorrow morning. If you look to the south, you may see a couple towering clouds. Those are most likely going to be showers that are ongoing offshore. Gulf of Mexico will fire up overnight with a little bit of a land breeze. Not so much the rest of us. Now, by the time we get into the afternoon, though, that's when we can start to see some of those showers making their way northward. Sea breeze showers kicking through the afternoon, spreading out as you go through the day. May not have a bad commute tomorrow. Kind of depends on when those showers get going. Sometimes they can trigger another round of shower activity, but for the most part, once they move through in the afternoon, you are done through the rest of the day, and you can start clearing up through the evening hours. Then certainly quiet Wednesday overnight into early parts of Thursday. Thursday, basically a repeat day. Showers popping up out in the Gulf of Mexico early on. Towering clouds early on, still a lot of moisture out there, and then widely scattered showers ongoing across the area as you go through the afternoon on Thursday. Here's what we've got as we go through the remainder of the week. There's those sea breeze showers popping up tomorrow, headed onwards into Thursday. Maybe a slight increase in the coverage of the type of showers that we're going to have. So, some heavy, some heavy downpours possible out there, and then lightning seems to be the biggest threat that we've seen with any of those storms so far, and I think we could do it again on Friday. Quiet morning, widely scattered showers by the time you get into the afternoon. Temperature-wise, looking at mid to upper 70s for tomorrow. I think we're 75, 76 degrees. So temperatures right now more or less what you're going to be waking up to again tomorrow. Heat index going to be sitting in the 80s, partly to mostly sunny skies early. Clouds arriving a little later on in the day. I still think we probably make it up into the 90s. Heat index going to be pushing mid to upper 90s, maybe even hitting triple digits at times tomorrow afternoon. Again, that depends on the showers. If the showers are a little delayed, means those temperatures are going to be a little bit warmer. As for Thursday morning, upper 70s expected, lower 70s down over towards Ville Platte and Alexandria. Plenty of sunshine. Again, temperatures likely making it into the lower 90s. Heat index in the upper 90s with a few showers that may be able to help cool us off a little bit. It's 76 for your overnight low tonight. Quiet overnight, warm, muggy conditions, mostly clear skies for tomorrow. Hot and humid morning with afternoon showers and a few thunderstorms, keeping rain chances going at about 40%. 40% today, 50% by the end of the week. And the weekend may be a little bit unsettled. I wouldn't cancel any of your plans, but do keep an umbrella with you through the rest of this week. And maybe even into next week, we'll kind of go from 40, 50%, maybe down to 20, 30 through next week.
All right, very good. Thanks, Daniel.
Still ahead on KAT.